Let's have a look at example 1 of the application of logarithm laws to simplifying and evaluating expressions involving logs. So I've got 4 parts here to example 1. So we're going to apply the logarithm laws and as well maybe or perhaps some of the further properties that we've looked at as well involving logarithms. So with the first one, part A, we're going to evaluate log base 5 of 0.008. Okay, now the first thing to note, it's a rather well-behaved decimal. That's just 8 over 1,000. Okay, and 8 over 1,000 simplifies nicely to 1 on 125. Okay, which is just log base 5 of 125 to the -1. Okay. In fact, probably what might be a little bit easier, and I might actually do this, I'm going to change this a little bit. You can keep going doing it this way, but it might be well worth noting that that's also just 5 cubed. Okay? 1 on 5 cubed. So I could have kept going and doing it the other way, but I think this way, I think it's a bit more intuitive for you to see what's going to happen next. So that's just log base 5 of 5 to the -3, and log base 5 of 5, remember that's 1, the -3 comes out to the front based on log law 3, so that's equal to -3. Alright, so look at part B, log base 3 of 27 minus log base 3 of 243. So we could use log law number 2, okay, because it's a subtraction. I was thinking of log law 3, which we may use later, which we're going to have to use later. So just have a think about which logarithm laws you're going to apply. It's always good to sort of have a think about this. So let's use log law number 2. Again, because the immediate thing is that there's a subtraction there, which means that we can express it as a quotient of 27 on 243. On 243. And that is conveniently equal to log of 3, 1 on 9. Okay. And almost for the same reason as part A, that's just equal to log. Okay. I'll do this slightly different. That's just 9 to the -1. Okay, which is just equal to negative log base 3 of 9, which is going to be equal to -2. Okay, hope that makes sense. There's more than one way to do this, but use what comes more naturally to you. So whichever law comes to you first, you think, oh, I'll apply this log law or that log law first. Look, try it. You might find that it's actually it just makes more sense to you. Okay, these are just sample solutions. It's not the only way. Okay, to be able to solve this. Part C, 2 log base 10 of 30 minus log base 10 of 9. All right. Again, now to apply the logarithm law number 2 here, this 2 must be brought back inside the log. So that's really just log base 10 of 30 squared minus log base 10 of 9. Now we can express this as a quotient, log base 10 of 30 squared over 9. Just put that in brackets, which is really just log base 10 of 900 over 9. Okay, and moving along, that's just equal to log base 10 of 100, yeah, which is equal to 2. Okay, and part D, log base 2 of 22 plus log base 2 of 4 minus log base 2 of 11. Again, because it's just involving addition and subtraction, we just go from left to right. So that's equal to log base 2 of 22 times 4, okay, minus log base 2 of 11. Okay, this can now be expressed as a quotient. Again, so this is log law 1. Now we're going to apply log law number 2. Okay, so let's log base 2. Now 22 times 4 is 88 over 11. Okay, which is equal to log base 2 of 8, which is equal to 3.